Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Vijayawada location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for graphic designer for the organization Rohit Printers. Job location is Vijayawada. Salary offered minimum 20,000 to up to 25,000 a month. Required skills are Photoshop, PageMaker, Corolla and Illustrator. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 6309955317. Next, there is a job openings for real estate sales team for the organization Excella Group. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You should be able to generate client leads to buy, sell and rent a property. You should manage a sales team and provide leadership, training and coaching. You should assist in negotiations between buyers and sellers. And you should set individual sales targets with the sales team. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9160351555. Next, there is a job openings for executive gold loans for the organization HTB Financial Services. Job location is Vijayawada. You can browse the provided careers web page of the HDFS HDB Financial Services organization. You can find the detailed information and the job description and responsibilities and experience details, everything there, and you can apply for the job. And also you can find any other job openings for the organization for the with the use of the provided link, that is https://www.hdbfs.com/careers. And if you see the job description details, you should coordinate with the branch sales team and support BSM SMS for lead conversion. Like this, there is a job description details. You can go through it and you can find more detailed information on the provided website address. Next, there is a job openings for album designer for the organization AICA Events. Job location is Vijayawada. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You should possess knowledge of computer software programs and Adobe's Creative Suite, including Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign. You should be able to create or incorporate illustrations, pictures, videos and designs to reflect the desired theme and tone of the communications, and you should be able to design web pages, brochures, logos, signs, books, magazine covers, annual reports, advertisements and other communication materials, and you should be able to follow timelines and submit the deliverables on time as planned. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9169849999. Next, there is a job openings for sales executive for the organization Space Designs. Job location is Vijayawada. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. And qualification, if you see, you should be able to have a minimum experience like 1 or 2 years, and you should have a minimum qualification as degree. Job location is Bharati Nagar Colony, Vijayawada. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9100559689. Next, there is a job openings for graphic designer position for the organization Milky Way Works. Job location is Vijayawada. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 30,000 a month based on your skill set and experience. You should be able to create powerful banners and visuals for e-commerce website and various social media platforms. You should have a knowledge of latest social media design practices. You should be able to collaborate with the team to ensure consistency of designs. You should be able to think creatively and develop new design concepts and graphics, including layout. I should have a like extensive experience with working with Photoshop, Illustrator, specifically with the flyers, posters and multimedia presentation. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9529539999. Next, there is a job openings for collection associates cross-sell for the organization HDB Financial Services. You should have a minimum degree qualification and should have 1 year of experience into CV business. You should be able to work under targets. You should be able to collect the information and resources. and you should be able to maintain the collections, and you should be able to achieve the targets given by the organization. For more information and to get to detailed information and experience details, you can browse the provided careers webpage of the HDB Financial Services Organization, that is https://www.hdbs.com/careers. Next, there is a job openings for ASM Area Sales Manager or Senior Area Sales Manager for the organization Transasia. Job location is Vijayawada. Job description and roles and responsibilities given here. You can go through it. Like you should be able to promote the assigned products to customers at the defined frequency. You should be able to generate leads and convert leads into sales. You should coordinate with customers, credit control team, and relevant department for timely, outstanding payment collection. You should be able to build effective rapport with the customers or distributors. You should be able to comply with the company's systems and process. You should be able to effectively negotiate with successfully closed deals, and you should be able to ensure appropriate and timely delivery of products, and you should be able to study market trends and products, competitive scenario, and reports to seniors. You can share your resume at the provided email ID if you feel your skill set is suitable for this position. The email ID is career@transasia.co.in. Next, there is job openings for sales executive position for the organization Architect Infosystems Private Limited. Job location is Vijayawada. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 20,000 a month. Main priorities given here, like you should be able to make calls to the prospective customers and generate leads for the business by existing data and by search engine. You should cover all the accounts assigned to build relationship with decision makers to open new opportunities. You should explain the customers based on product offers or benefits. You should promote the products of the organization. You should adhere to defined sales process and maintain growth of funnel as per the organizational growth plans. You should keep accurate and detailed records of calls made and results achieved. You should ensure timely collections from the set of assigned accounts and maintain a healthy business. You should be able to champion the customer's cause internally with various teams to ensure quality solutions, timely delivery, top class support. You should escalate customer issues, process anomalies, and pain points in a timely manner to seniors. You should report sales data, competition information, and market data as per the requirements. You should be able to follow up with customers and get the feedback. You should be able to record details of opportunities and lead notes. You should make ensure creation of opportunities and sales order billing and a follow-up of the payments. So these are all the responsibilities given by the organization. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9848666766. Next, there is job openings for MBA Marketing Executive for the organization XLR Group. Job location is Vijayawada. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You should be able to visit colleges and schedule seminars, and two-wheeler is mandatory for the person. You should have a good communication skills that is required. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9160351555. Next, there is a job openings for Photoshop editor and graphic designer for the organization Pringle Technologies. Job location is Vijayawada. There is a address details given here, official address details available. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9014427126. Next, there is a job openings for counter crew member cashiers for the organization Idli Street. Salary details not available here. Job location is Vijayawada. Minimum qualification is HSC or graduate with experience, and all freshers are also eligible for the job role. The candidate should have a pleasing personality and good communication skills, should be enthusiastic, self-motivated, and stable long-term career who are looking for that. They are like given preference. Minimum age is 18 years and up to 40 years of age will be considered. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number for more information. Next, there is a job opening for accounts executive for the organization VM Bakery Products Private Limited. Job location is Vijayawada. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 20,000 a month. You can go through the roles and responsibilities. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9885544202.
So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.